Alright, so we are here today. Apparently unboxing is just a big thing around the holiday season for me. So we've got some exciting things. The only thing that's been slightly tampered with is this box. I cut off my address. This is pretty exciting. It's the first time I've had something come directly from China to me. So it's really neat to see the little Chinese writing on there. Super excited. So let's go ahead and get these both opened up and show you guys what's inside. Looks like I might be able to just, no, just kidding, just kidding. I'm actually gonna have to cut this. You guys might be able to see what it is now. I don't know exactly what the camera angle's showing you, but apparently it's just all wrapped in this like entire tape thing, which is interesting. It's kind of like wrapped in a garbage bag almost, like a really thick garbage bag. I don't know if everything that comes from China is like this, but it's pretty freaking cool. I don't know, maybe I'm being ridiculous. I just think it's cool to get something from China. Alright, so apparently this has two boxes. So here's the first one. As you can see, it's going to be the VKB Gladiator NXTs. I got the premium version, so I'm guessing these are my joysticks here. Let's go ahead and open one of these boxes here. See what we got inside. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Okay. This is so exciting. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. Boxes and boxes and boxes. All right. So we've got a bag with two boxes inside. And then inside of that box is two more boxes. All right, so there it is. That's our left premium base and joystick. So cool. So cool. This is the first time I've ever had any kind of joystick at all. So I am super excited about this. Let's see inside. Oh my gosh, it's like packages inside of packages inside of packages inside of packages. Here we go. First look. Oh man, look at that. Look at that, dude, that is cool. So this is the left. I don't know why I was holding it in my right hand, but there you go. There's the left stick. Go ahead and slide it back in here for now. Left stick, it's got its premium parts in here as well. Down here at the bottom. And yeah, there it is. So that's the left premium grip. And then here's the base for it. Here's the base. Open that up. All right, so we got some tubing, a screwdriver, USB cable, and then check that out. This packaging is awesome. This packaging's sick. This comes off the top. This comes just, it's like a little sheet sticking on top. And then there's the base itself. Wow, that is cool. Look at that thing. That is neat. That is super neat. Like I said, this is my first ever joystick, so this is all brand new to me, but this boxing is really, really nice. Really nice boxing. So there we go. Gladiator NXT base and the left premium. So there's that. So this should be the right, and this should be the exact same unboxing experience. So we'll just kind of go a little quickly with this, since it should be exactly the same as the other side. Now we're a little more seasoned at opening this. All right. Yep. So again, our right premium, and the base. So there we go. Boom, boom. Oh no, this went somewhere. We'll put it there for now. I don't remember where that came from. I don't remember where that came from at all. So there's our right and our left. And this came from somewhere as well. Forgot to put that back. Whoops. All right, and the other box. So it looks like we got a slight little tiny rip here. So we'll make that our purchase point. Make that our purchase point. Slide on down. Just work our way around. This is very satisfying, this wrapping. I don't know why. Oh, wow. I don't know why. It's just very satisfying. And then here we go. Boom. Universal mount. All right, got 2 of those. 2 of those. So how does this thing open? Looks like it's right here. Maybe. Okay. Oh yeah, so this is a little more complex. Same exact thing in this box over here, but so here's like the drop down bracket, it looks like. And apparently pull this out. Nothing else in the box there. And then here's the rest of it. So there's the rest of the mounting hardware there. So, like I said, this box should have the exact same thing. I'm not even gonna, this doesn't go in here. See, I can't. This doesn't go in here, this goes over here. But anyway, so there's the unboxing portion. Like I said, we'll go ahead and follow this up with possibly an installation, depending on how I feel, because I'm shooting this one alone today. But if we feel like doing it, we will. If not, we won't. So there you go. So we've got the, there it all is. This goes somewhere. Boom. Boom. So there you go. Hopefully you guys can see all that. We've got our grips and our bases, and then our 2 stands. So really excited to try this stuff out, and look forward to you guys seeing it when it's done. Seriously though, am I a weirdo? I just think this part is so cool. I don't know. This is a foreign package.